Okay, so these are the accuracy and precision notes. There is not a spot in your packet, in the student note packet. So type this in Google, Word, Docs, or just write them down on a piece of paper. Okay, so the first thing we're going to start off with is the two definitions for accuracy and precision. So let's start with accuracy. Accuracy is how close measurements are to the true value. How close measurements are to the true value. To true value. And I'm going to draw some pictures, a little picture while you guys finish writing that definition. So let me make a bullseye. When you are throwing darts, does everyone know what like darts with a board is? What are you trying to hit, Kenny? Yes, this center is your true value. That's your true value. That's what you're trying to get. So under true value here, why don't we write what you're supposed to get? And I don't like the way, let's do this one more time. So when I do bullseye, when you do play darts, you want to hit that bullseye. So my question to you is this. If I do this, make a bullseye, Kenny, if I hit here and here, is this accurate? No. So I'm going to put not accurate. Not accurate. If I hit it here, let's do it. Let's change it. If I hit it here, two of them here, is that accurate? I'm going to put accurate underneath. So it's not accurate because these darts are nowhere near the bullseye. This image is accurate because they're at the true value. They're at the bullseye. Instead of pictures, I am now going to do it with numbers. So let's say that you are in a lab and you are supposed to get, so these are with numbers now. You're supposed to get 2 grams, let's say. That's our true value. But when you measured out something 3 times, you got 1 gram, 4 grams, and 10 grams. Are these measurements accurate? No. Why are they not accurate? Yes. So not accurate. I'm going to come up with 3 more numbers. If I get 1.8 grams, 2.8 grams and 2.1 grams. Are those measurements accurate? Yep, accurate. Yep. They are close to 2 grams, which is the true value. Even though these are, you're going to have error in the chemistry lab. Rarely do you get 100% of what you are supposed to get. But these are really close to the true value. So we would say that that's accurate. So these are the accuracy notes. Now we're going to do the same thing, but with precision. So I'm going to make a line here. So this is probably just all going to fit on one page. All right, and I'm going to wait for people to just finish writing. Let me know if you want me to pull it down. So this section isn't a lot of notes.
Wait, can you go back to?
Yep. There you go. And I'm going to try using a black pen because I don't think I'm supposed to use a pencil under this. It'll show better with black ink. All right. So let's write the precision notes now. So I'm going to write precision. Yes, look at that black. So instead of how close measurements are to the true value, precision is how close measurements are to each other. So how close measurements are to each other. And I'm going to underline each other. I need that growl again. All right. The students that are watching this, just know, yes, we have issues, but we are smart. When I saw that black pop up, I was like, shine bright like a diamond. All right. So I'm gonna make some bullseyes. So we're not focused on the true value. Here goes 3 bullseyes. Would this be precise?
Yes.
Why? Yep, they're close to each other. So I'm going to write precise under here. And then the second bullseye, I'm just going to make them so they're spread out and write not precise. Not precise for this one. I'm going to put a line on my paper. I'm going to do the math example over here. So now I'm going to write 2 sets of examples, and we're going to label one either precise or not precise. And let me know if I'm going too fast, especially the computer students. So let me think of some measurements. Actually, I'm going to use the same numbers as the previous one. The top one, would it be precise or not precise if you get these three measurements? Yeah, they're far apart from each other. And the bottom one would be precise because they're close values. So this is actually the end of the notes. So I'm just going to have students. The only thing that I want you guys to do, I'm going to pull this back down if you need to write this. See how I use the same numbers? I want to make sure that you know that this is precise because the values are close. So up here, can you write for accurate, close to true value? Up there? Yep. So close to true value, and then the bottom one is the values are close to each other. And that's it. Close to true value. And then I wrote here, close values to each other. So when you're looking at your notes, you understand why one is accurate and one is precise. And you don't think we did that because both of them are close to 2. All right, so this is the end of the student notes. Students are going to work on the practice problems next. So make sure you work on it. All right, let's turn this bad boy off.